Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my morning skincare routine. It's a 5-step skincare routine and it's a very simple skincare routine. If you are a college going person or you are office going person, basically if you're a busy person, then this is going to be a very useful video for you guys. All the products are very affordable. They are under 500 rupees, and if you want to check out these products, then link are given in the description box. You may check out, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get started. First I will cleanse my face, and here I am using Cetaphil cleanser. It's a very good cleanser for dry, normal and combination skin. It's a non-foaming face wash, immediately leaves skin soft and supply relieving a healthy glow. It keeps your skin hydrated for next 48 hours. For next step, I'll be using Good Vibes Rose Toner. It's a lightweight, alcohol-free hydrating face toner. It effectively balances skin pH and minimizes pores and instantly refreshes skin. This is suitable for all skin type. It is infused with the goodness of rose petals and help to nourish and smoothen the skin. Using serum in your skincare is very important. So here I am using Pilgrim Vitamin C Serum. It's an oil-based serum with 20% hyaluronic acid and white lotus. It's an anti-aging formula for dry and combination skin. It blurs out all your face lines. This serum contains the best ingredients for your skin. For example, vitamin E that promotes healthy skin. Next up, I'll be moving to moisturizing my skin, and here I am using Cetaphil moisturizer. This one is for dry, very dry, sensitive skin people. Improves skin hydration from day one and complete restores the skin's natural moisture barrier in just 1 week. This rich cream is clinically proven to provide immediate and long-lasting effect for 48 hours, relief for dry, sensitive people. Next, sunscreen is very important. So here I am using Dot & Key sunscreen. It's a cooling sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++ for smooth, luminous and protected skin every day. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it leaves no white cast. It is lightweight formula, treat uneven skin tone and correct uneven skin texture. In the last step, here I am using lip balm from Sugar Cosmetics. It moisturizes your lips, add little hint of color to your lips, also works as a lip mask. So this is my skincare routine, and in next video I'll be sharing my night skincare routine. So now I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.